Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I am Zon the Daddy Dev. I am not working for this company right now. The school is closed. It's time to play some games made from other developers in the Godot Wild Jam. Did I even say that right? Godot 3 Wild Jam? Wild Jam? I can't even say the Godot Wild. I did say it right. Okay, good. I have gotten excited and ready. I've strapped in my toddler. I was going to say baby. That's just easier, but she's literally a toddler. We're going to play some games. We'll see if her eyes pop up, if she gets their attention, or if she doesn't. That'll be a test, a demographic test. Men in their middle age or close to their middle age, and toddlers. Will this be Nintendo Wii friendly? I don't know. We'll find out. Now, just in case you are new to downloading a Godot file, sorry, I should just say any game that is free and that's zipped, you just unzip it really quick. I unclicked it, I unzipped it, and this should be it. Window now? I guess I'll unzip it again, maybe? I don't know. We'll do something. Open with, I use 7-zip because it's awesome. Extract files here. Yeah, it did extract it. Here it goes. So Evodevo. Let's play this game. Let's see what it sounds like. I'm excited. Hopefully the sound comes in. Does the sound come in? Desktop is clicking off. Oh, wow. Whoa, what the phone game? Why is it so tiny? Oh, see, we should have totally included the... You know, next year, we're going to include the logo. Are we going to make a smaller game? Heck no. We haven't learned our lesson as a team. Oh, it makes the noises. I wish I could zoom in. Phase 1. Another player steps upon the stage. I love the pixel art. This is really cool. I don't know how long this title is. Again, you're going to see hopefully some of my facial reactions, not just my bald title. Oh my god! Was I supposed to do something? Oh, you really... Cool as that. Let's go with legs. Can I just click it? How do I click it? I assume the mouse is working because it looks like it's touching. Ah! My baby just dropped her Kindle. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I need a touchscreen. I don't think I do. Okay, let's look at some of the controls here. Arrow keys. Well, I was doing WAS keys. I totally messed that up. Control X. Shoot with space and then Controls X. Okay, maybe that'll work. No. Now I can move the... No, I can't move the arrow keys. I have failed at playing the most polished game in this jam. Yeah. I am the underdog of developers, I think. That's a prize. Oh my gosh, I can't. Why can't I? I just picked legs. I'm excited. I don't know how I did. I just kept clicking. Okay, phase 1. Here we go. Another player steps onto the stage. But I have legs this time, mother... Whoa! This is a lot smoother. Now that I'm still pressing the WAS keys, though. Do I shoot? I don't have a shooting button, though. Do I X? Again, failing at playing the most polished and amazing game. I feel like Conan O'Brien playing video games. Shoot with X. Space control. Ah! Oh, it teaches you how to play the game. Yes. Yes, this is amazing. My daughter's kicking. I don't know if it's because of YouTube or... Yeah, enemy strikes so far. I like how there's like a little story. Yeah, this is totally phone awesome, man. I'm down. If this is like, you know, $2, I hate to put a price on it. Like under 5. Oh my god. Oh, under $5, I totally buy this. I don't know if I have the time to play it. I have a cat game I don't even play. Oh my gosh, it's simple and yet it builds upon stuff. Now what? Heck yeah. I like how it's simple and it builds upon stuff. It's really cool. I wish I could zoom out though. I guess that's coming later maybe? Oh, I'm like blowing stuff up. You know, what's really cool about this is it feels like an original take on a shooter. On like a bullet hell kind of thing. I have no regrets about getting legs first. Let's say that right now. I like the ding on the music. It's really cool. Like, you know, it's sad because it's so simple, and yet you could build so much on this. I don't feel, and I know this may be why I'm a terrible developer, and my team is like not as polished as it could be. Is that we don't go for simple, man. We try to make complex and then simplify it, and we haven't learned our lesson. But I think the next game we're gonna make is gonna be better. Maybe a head. Maybe I can see. But yeah, this is. I love how that music. It's got a horror feel to it. Oh, oh my God, that's great. I should get more head. I know that sounds dirty. I can't make into windows with my daughter. No, I'm just kidding. Of course I can. It's like 9 to 90, like Pixar. Okay, all right. This is good. This is really good. I don't know if she's... No, she's not looking. She's still looking at YouTube on her Kindle. Oh my gosh. I like the bullets too. They're interesting. Okay. I love that pause. That's very cleverly done. You know, that's really nice. Like, that is a nice touch. There's a game, I can't remember, there's a phone game that was about, like, the speed racing, and it had a really cool story about it, and you play as a computer AI, and then you're trying to, like, solve, like, problems and do hacking and stuff. This game, I know it's not a hacking game, but this totally could be something I could see, like, in that vein. So I used to, just a little FYI on my background because I'm new here, and for better or for worse, I haven't made a complete jerk of myself on the internet yet for people to hate me or love me. I used to run a marketing group with another guy who's actually got into the game industry for a little while. He got out because there wasn't just enough money in there, but he was doing professional game marketing for a company, which was really cool. I think I need some legs. Arms, maybe bigger arms. So I see this as a very marketable game. That's not helped me. I wish I had a front. Can I have a control? Do I have an XT? I wish I had alt fire. I wish I had 2 types of fire. I regret that decision. I regret that decision greatly. Okay, this is cool. So you can choose between evolution and stuff like that. So and there was the other thing too. Like oh god, I gotta get rid of these guns. I hate these guns. I hate these arms. Okay, we're gonna... I like the failing is really cool. Like, maybe I'll switch my legs after. Like, I like how you could fail. It's like this is kind of part of evolution, is figuring out what's the best version of things are. I really wish I could have another body and I could do, like, 2 guns, but maybe that comes later. Who knows? I will say that this seems to be more than a 5-minute experience, at least in my experience right now. Graphics are great, like, overall. This is a sellable phone game. Again, like, I have had, like, some experience in the marketing of games. My master's degree that's overpriced is from Full Sail. It is related to business entertainment. And I feel this is something here. I don't know, like, again, I don't know what would be the best market strategy of this. I would also like to know what the story is. But, like, these ships are interesting. Oh my gosh, it's a bullet hell. I typically hate bullet hells, but this is okay. So I can't get another body. Maybe I can switch legs. And I like how it's like you're an organism. I do, again, like how that you've taken this... I guess I'm talking straight to the developer. I should just talk in third person. It's more academic. But I like how the developer has done a thing where it is very organic and it's spaceships. I like it feels like a little bit of Battlestar. I think this is it, because I suck at these type of games. Legs maneuverability. I love how this, look at that, it scrolls. Moves in both directions. What's this one does? Fast horizontal, slower vertical. So this seems to be the best legs for this. I guess I'm building a mid-tier ship. Phase 4, the Mighty Risen Dawn. So okay, I'm gonna be a little critical. I get how this relates to evolution, but I don't feel like I'm evolving right now. I feel like I'm just failing. Oh my god. But maybe I've solved the puzzle? I seem to be... Oh god, give me shields. Someone give me shields. How, are we at 5 minutes? I don't know if we survived this. There's no other things? I don't know, like... Wow. Wait, okay, arms. I get the arms. Here, arms dealing with fails. Fires directly head. So, the challenge at being pointed... Maybe this is the solution? Okay, let's try it. I mean, I get this is part of, like, checking mutations and so forth and so on. I just wish that there was a way to... Like, every time I die, instead of it... I mean, I get permadeath, I get that. But maybe, like, a roguelike factor where death leads to another type of mutation or another type of option, so forth and so on. Oh my gosh. I'm terrible at bullet hells. But the other problem is I'm terrible at bullet hells in general. But overall, I like this. I would like a shield. I mean, that's more of a standpoint of a casual player. Sensitive to all perceptions. So let's see. I also don't know if these are levels, but that's okay. Some unclarity creates mystery, right? Creating a mystery box. So now I've got more visibility. I don't know if that necessarily helps me though. Okay, I'm gonna switch guns one more time. Maybe that's what needs to be done. I like there's some problem solving going on here and some strategy. But again, without shields, I don't feel I can do much in this game. Okay, maybe this is the solution. Like, I wish there was a mutation to deal with bullet hell, to be honest. I wish I could shoot the bullets. I can't, I just have to dodge them. Maybe the head was good. It seems to be working. Okay, blow that up. Okay, oh god, there's limits to the level. She needs to stay out of the range. Okay, feeling a badass. My daughter's grabbing my arm. She's grabbing my hand. Oh, you're gonna press keys? Did you make this game toddler friendly? Oh no, she's got both my arms. Oh! My co-pilot killed me. Okay, one more time. Let's try it one more time. Uh-oh. She's getting restless. I want to play this game a little bit. Can I play it one more time? Alright, baby challenge. Restless daughter. Hold on, Captain. I have to switch? I don't want to switch. Ah, can I go with no legs? No legs! Oh, shoot. Let's see if that works. Phase 4. No legs. Ah. Go back. Okay, restless daughter. Okay, I think that's it. I think that's it for this thing. Alright, insert catchphrase here. That's this one done. Next time, Mortal Kombat! Bye-bye. Okay, we see you later. Bye-bye. Stop recording.